Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best electric scooters on Amazon. Sure, riding your bike or a basic push scooter is fun, but what if you want to make riding anywhere even easier? I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gotrax GX LV2 Commuting Electric Scooter. If you're looking for an electric scooter that can offer everything from decent battery life to good speed to rides long and short, you'll like the Gotrax CX LV2 Commuting Electric Scooter. Designed for adults and made with commuters in mind, this powerful and comfortable scooter really delivers. It's powered by a 36-volt 5.2 amp-hour battery and a 250-watt motor with high torque and low power consumption, and you'll be able to travel as far as 12.5 miles on a single charge and hit a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. What we like about it? Built-in digital display lets you stay in control of speed, battery, and other features. Cruise control is great for commutes and long rides. Folding frame and lightweight. Dual braking system is responsive. What we don't like about it? Battery gauge offers limited, not so accurate estimates. Throttle is sensitive. Using cruise control can be tricky. Number 2. Razor Electric Scooter. Don't want to spend a ton on a kid's scooter, but still want that electric scooter to perform? The Razor E100 electric scooter is a great option, and it offers a good combination of durability and affordability. This scooter is designed with fun in mind, featuring blue LEDs on the deck that light up with a twist of the throttle. The 100-watt, high-torque, single-speed electric motor can reach up to 10 miles per hour at top speed, and the twin rechargeable 12-volt lead-acid batteries give riders up to 40 minutes of continuous riding. What we like about it? Kid-sized scooter deck and frame. Light-up deck illuminates with every throttle twist. Easy for kids to master and control. Polyurethane wheels are ideal for driveways and sidewalks. What we don't like about it? Can go up hills. Battery takes 12 hours to recharge. Number 3. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. If you're searching for a scooter that won't let bumps or road obstacles get in the way, the Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter is a great option. This model rides on larger than normal wheels with 10-inch tires, so you can easily roll over anything. Those wheels, which are paired with rear dual shock absorbers, keep you comfortable even on rough surfaces and bumps. In addition to its rubber-covered solid tires, this electric scooter features impressive power thanks to a 500-watt electric brushless motor. What we like about it? Higher than average top speed. Extra powerful motor. Offers customized cruise and speed control settings. Smartphone apps let you set individualized parameters for different riders. What we don't like about it? Heavier or larger riders can experience shorter battery life. Number 4. Segway Ninibit E22 Electric Kick Scooter. This scooter may not be as futuristic as the original Segway was meant to be, but it's certainly high-tech and sleek. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun thanks to its innovative design, which is maintenance-free and all about comfort while you ride. Built with 2 lithium-ion batteries and an upgraded motor, it delivers up to 700 watts of power, hits a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, and can travel up to 28 miles on a single charge. It features shock absorbers paired with 9-inch pneumatic tires to keep you cushioned on the road. What we like about it? 3 speed settings. Energy saving, normal, and sports. Built-in shock absorbers enhance comfort. Works with the smart Segway Ninibit app for control and customization. Body is lightweight yet nicely durable. What we don't like about it? Does require some assembly when it arrives. Brakes are better at slowing than stopping. Number 5. Megawheels Electric Scooter. Most electric scooters have a weight limit of 220 pounds, but the Megawheels electric scooter gives you more versatility with a higher capacity. This model has a weight capacity of 265 pounds, making it a great choice for heavier or larger adults who need a more supportive scooter. And it doesn't skimp on speed or fun, either. The 250-watt brushless motor can deliver a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, and you'll get a riding range of 12 to 17 miles on a single charge thanks to the 7.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. What we like about it. Higher weight capacity. Step-by-step assembly instructions with pictures. Quick charging battery. Can potentially reach even higher top speeds under certain conditions. What we don't like about it. Heavier than other products. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.